Hello and happy Wednesday's Words of Wisdom. Spring break is right around the corner, and we want to send you off with some fun activities that you can enjoy over the break with your family, your friends, and just to get outside, have some fresh air, or to enjoy some new adventures, such as having a picnic, planning something. The flowers are ready to bloom, get our yards freshening up, go on a nature hike, maybe visit a farmer's market, ride a bike, make a lemonade stand, make your own ice cream. There's lots of ways you can do that. Go feed some ducks, find a little local neighborhood pond and feed some ducks. Learn a new sport. Take a family photo, get outside, do a selfie, have a neighbor do it, whatever works. But take a family photo and document that time that you are enjoying together while the weather is beautiful. You have some extra time together. So, here are just some fun activities that you all can do together. And we want to wish you all a very happy and safe spring break. And we look forward to seeing you all back after spring break.